Hello, viewers from around the world. Thank you once again for joining me on this episode. Today, we are going to look at Kizz Daniel. Before I start, my name remains Ibinumba Agwon Izodowa. Oluwatobiloba Daniel Anidube, popularly known by his stage name Kizz Daniel, is a Yoruba singer and songwriter. He is best known for his singles Woju and Yeba. He went by the stage name Kizz Daniel prior to changing it in May 2018. He signed a record deal with G Worldwide Entertainment in 2013, but left the label following a publicized contract dispute and court case. He later founded the Flyboy Incorporation record in November 2017. Kizz Daniel was born on 1st of May 1994 in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. He actually hails from Abeokuta North local government area and attended Abeokuta Grammar School, University of Agriculture, Abeokuta in 2013. His genres includes Afrobeats, pop, and R&B. He has won many awards. For instance, in 2015, Kizz Daniel won the Nigerian Entertainment Award for Best New Act to Watch. In the same year, he won the Nigerian Entertainment Award for Afro Pop Artist of the Year and Hottest Single of the Year. He also captured the City People Music Award of Music Artist of the Year male category in 2016, among others. Some of his best songs includes Yeba 2017, Woju 2016, Nodu 2018, Back and Go 2020, Boys Are Bad 2020, Buga 2020, No Wahala 2020, and Calf 2020, which has gone viral among many others. Once again, viewers, I've come to the end of this short biography of Kizz Daniel. I hope you had a nice time watching and listening. Once again, I thank you for being here for me. Please, if you are tuning in to this YouTube channel for the first time, do me a little favor by subscribing to Izodek YouTube channel. Thanks once again and remain blessed. Bye bye.